So now let's see how we can access a classroom as a student. So over here you can see that in the previous lesson we actually created a TutorTube class and then we added in some name right here. So in order for the students to access the classroom, they need to get the class code, which you can get by clicking on here. So I'm just going to copy the code right here. You can also see the class code right here. So you can just copy this out and hand it out to the students. So now what the students have to do from their end is go onto the home page of Tinkercad and click on join your class. So once they do that, they have to enter the class code, which I'm going to paste because I copied that out. And then what they can actually do is join the class. So I'm just going to go around right here. This is what they type. And then they have to click on go to join my class. So they can join with a nickname or create their own account as well. So I'm just going to use the join with a nickname option right here. So once I go there, you can see that your nickname is here. So I'm just going to go around and then let's say, for example, I'm going to copy it out as Sammy Bird right here. So I just copied that. And I'm going to paste it right here. So I'm going to click on that's me. And then what happens is that the student joins in just like this. So this is what they see. They can create their design and then work around with it. So let's say, for example, if I were to click on create design, then what they can do is they can work around with the Tinkercad projects as usual. So they can work around right here, work around with the box and so forth. And then if they were to access it, then that's it. They can make around the works just like that. And that is how you can access the classroom as a student inside of Tinkercad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.